Welcome back! I've been waiting for you! We still have so many fun things to do here! It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the excavator. Keep going. Perfect. Choose what you want to fix first. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Super! Awesome! Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. You're so smart. That's it. Now let's paint. Super! That's it! The track is broken! Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers! Excellent! That's great! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. I knew you could do it. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super duper! That's great! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super duper! Perfect! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. I knew you could do it. All done. Now help to assemble Excavator. All done. Now we can upgrade the parts. It's time to take the car to the construction site. Keep going. These are the